There we go. Thunderstorms. Wednesday the 24th at 12:35. They'll be getting closer and closer and closer. I ain't filmed a thunderstorm in ages. Ooh. Ooh. It's because it's very muggy and warm tonight. So the warm and the cold meet together. Because Monday the 22nd we had, I think about 25, 26. Yesterday, Tuesday, we had near enough 30. I think it was just over 30 actually. And today is supposed to be 32, which is Wednesday. And tomorrow, Thursday, is supposed to be 37, but getting cooler during Friday and Saturday. So, it's definitely getting nearer, as you can see. The sky gods are coming down. Oh. Anyway, I'll come back if I can hear the claps of thunder. That's one. So I'll come back in a bit. Whoa. Weird situation in the UK. Like, we're an island, so we get whatever weather throws at us from the Atlantic or Mediterranean. So this week, heatwave, as I said, Monday to Thursday, because Monday was about 30 odd, Tuesday was 32, Wednesday, which is today, which is Wednesday the 24th, is supposed to be 34 plus. Thursday is 36, 37, possibly the hottest day of the year. I'm sure the thunder is getting nearer, to be fair. As you can hear it there. But see how long the claps are and the lightning are between each other. Do let me know down in the comments below what you think of the thunderstorm, and let me know where you are in the world, and do you get lots of thunderstorms and rain or just perpetual heat. Because I have a couple, I think I have 2 or 3 actually, thunderstorm videos. It might be 2, I can't remember, on my channel. To be fair, I can't tell if it's coming this way or going. But it's now 12:57. 12:57, so nearly 1 o'clock. Yeah, I think it's going away, to be honest. Ah well. Let's try from this way. See what we can see through the thunder. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just moved around a little bit. Nice breeze, cool breeze. It's gone 1:05 in the morning. So that's AM, not PM, AM. It's like the gods of raised hell. God. Get down in case I slip. I mean, what you'd probably be able to hear is the wind howling and the planes going over. Well, mind your eyes. And over there as well. As I say, let me know down below in the comments where you're from and how bad your thunderstorms are when you get them. Like when you get your thunderstorms in the morning, the afternoon, the evening, and how bad is the rain or the wind. So let me know in the comments below. Oh. I'll pop round this way as the collapse seems to be happening this side, as opposed to that side. You can't really see in the dark, but there we go, that was a big one. Whoa. Can't imagine that coming at you. Be not sure if you'll be able to hear it, but it's just started spitting with rain at 1:19, nearly 20 past 1 in the morning, in the AM. It's definitely raining heavier now. I mean, a lot heavier. Because obviously in this country we're an island, so UK, and we get whatever weather's thrown at us from the Atlantic, Mediterranean, that sort of thing. It's always unexpected. So you go out one morning, could be 35 degrees, an hour later, could be 5 degrees, or to 3 degrees. When will I see you again? So it's definitely raining heavier now. Nice to see a bit of rain though. Grass was looking a bit bare over the last 3 days. Or yeah, because probably about 3 or 4 days actually. Since it rained properly last. You can't rely on the weather on the TV, on the weather channels, like for example BBC One News, Channel 5 News for example, or if you're in America, whatever weather stations you have there, and on the apps like Accurate Weather, other forms of weather apps. So you can't believe. In the UK, I remember Michael Fish got it all wrong back in the late 80s. So it's raining a lot heavier now at 25 minutes past 1 AM. Yeah, there's more thunder coming from this way over there, rather than if you turn it round that way. I know you can't see because it's dark, but still. Because the wind was up, howling before, and now it's raining. You can't tell with a thunderstorm. That if there's going to be more thunder or lightning, or it's just going to be further back, or just nothing. It's now 1:55, 5 to 2 in the morning. It's getting closer. I can feel it in the air tonight. Do do do. It's now stopped raining last 15 minutes, I think, yeah. About that, 10-15 minutes, stopped raining at last. Just windy, as you can probably hear, the wind noise is different compared to the rain. Yeah, I think mainly now it's going away from Epsom. It was coming towards, now it's going away. Just thought I'd share with you a little bit of light, because most of it's been quite dark. Only when there's flashes of light, because the lamps over that way and all the way around, they turn off at, I think it's 12 o'clock now. It used to go later on, but saving energy. So it has been raining. Also, it's now 2:12, so 12 minutes past 2, and the wind's getting up more. It's getting slightly cooler, less thunder, and that. So hopefully you can see the footage that is quite dark at times. So do like, share and subscribe, hit the notifications bell. And once again, thanks for watching, have fun.